The International Moot Court has been the most rewarding experience of my law school career. Our team invested countless hours in learning, practicing, and perfecting, which culminated in a very fulfilling week of oral rounds in Madrid.
The fourth round was in one of the most prestigious law firms in Madrid. It's called Uria. And we entered the room and the ceilings were extremely high. The arbitrators were really, really far away from the speakers. And in an arbitration setting, you're almost always in a small conference room.
Getting to go to The Hague, which is sort of like the beating heart of international law, and be there on the ground and participate in these discussions with really informed future attorneys in the place where these discussions happen on a day-to-day basis, well, it was incredible.
So throughout my moot court experience, I have relied on Profe as not only a coach, but a mentor as well. She's been really great helping me decide what I want to do with my career and then making those things happen. So for example, I really want to teach after law school as part of my law practice, and Profe's been instrumental in helping me get that rolling with some of the schools that I'm interested in teaching at.
The biggest takeaway from doing the International Moot Court Program is how much you will learn and how much you will grow as an attorney. I got so much better at doing legal research and legal writing, especially because I was being faced with a topic that I'd never dealt with before. It's not something you would learn about in a normal law school class. So after the long, countless hours of research and writing, you really do sort of develop those skills and build up those muscles to be able to apply it to any field of law.
One quick anecdote about the program itself is as you're going through competing in these competitions, you are open to a number of professors, students, and other people all around the world that it makes it a great networking opportunity. I think it's part of the reason, too, why a lot of people receive postgraduate offers or just kind of see other areas of law that they're interested in, maybe in different parts of the world. And so I think that's something that the Moot Court offers that no other program does.
I still remember in my second round, we had an arbitrator who was a well-known practitioner in the Republic of Peru. 6 years later, working at a law firm, we have an investment arbitration case relating to a major infrastructure project, and we needed an expert that did exactly what that one arbitrator that I met 6 years earlier did in Peru. I contacted that arbitrator, or that former arbitrator, and he ended up being an expert that really helped us win the case. So you never know who you're going to meet in this International Moot Court Program.
Lame. Lame.